Okay, to teach, okay, potential registered nurses like you, okay? It's a great opportunity, okay? Next, I would like to apologize if ever may mga shortcomings ako in terms tas of the lectures, okay? Or in terms tas of handling the class, okay? Rest assured, I will take all of those, okay, particular shortcomings as a ground for me to improve myself so that I can become a better person for the succeeding batches of nurses. Alright? And the third message class is for all of you. Okay? Class for your board examination, always give it your all. Ibigay nyo ang lahat ng makakaya nyo para sa board examination. Okay? You always have to remember, you're not doing this for your parents only. You're not doing this for your schools only. You're not only doing this for God, you're doing this for yourself. Ang pinaka-importanting bagay, class, okay, sa pagtitake